This is the Mercedes-AMG CLA45S Street Style Edition. I'm Darren and welcome to All Access Vlog. This is the ultimate compact coupe from AMG. Its 420 horsepower engine launches you to 100 km per hour in just 4.1 seconds, and its manufacturer mountain grey Magno paint combined with the unique Street Style Edition decals ensures a distinctive road presence. The client's request was simple, with only 10 units officially imported into the country, to elevate the finish and protect everything. Our solution combined elements detailing, a flawless SatinGuard installation, and a premium PhotoSync IRD high-performance tint. Our elements detailing program is designed to take a brand new unit from the showroom and elevate the finish to surpass factory standards. A multi-stage paintwork correction program removes fine swirls, scratches, and holograms caused by improper pre-delivery preparation and transforms the car with a stunning finish that not only turns heads but puts that smile on your face. With the exterior canvas now perfected, we laid a foundation for its protection. A sophisticated hybrid ceramic coating system, meticulously applied in layers and infused with infrared energy, forms an unyielding bond with the surface. This advanced composition serves as a primer for the ultimate shield, our bespoke custom-fitted SatinGuard PPF. The 19-inch cross-spoke forged alloys in matte black are detailed and a heat-resistant coating is applied, a defensive shield against the elements, ensuring effortless maintenance and a lasting finish. Dry steam prepares the surface for a luxurious pampering. The upholstery surfaces are nourished and protected through a dual-stage regimen, while a UV-deflecting treatment envelopes the remaining interior components, shielding them from the tropical weather's relentless assault. The ultimate automotive protection is realized with the installation of SatinGuard PPF. This isn't merely a film, it's a quantum leap in safeguarding your investment. Engineered with a visually unique tri-tone technology, watch as the car transforms from different angles through a deep matte, ultra-luxurious satin, and finally to a translucent finish under sunlight. Amplifying your car's factory clear coat by a staggering 400%, SatinGuard redefines what is possible with cutting-edge technology. The final step is the application of Spectra PhotoSync IRD, a pinnacle of heat rejection technology developed and made in the USA. This extraordinary film delivers an unparalleled sanctuary from the sun's relentless assault, boasting an impressive 81% total solar energy rejection with unmatched clarity. A lifetime commitment to performance and aesthetics, this high-performance film ensures a more comfortable and safer driving experience for years to come. If you're looking to protect your brand new car, give us a call. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Till next time, goodbye.